So for this section of the course, we will be going over Excel VBA. Now this is one of the areas of Excel that is really exciting to learn, but it's also in a whole different ballpark. And sometimes it can get a little overwhelming, so I want to make sure to take the time to explain what Excel VBA is and what it's used for. So VBA stands for Visual Basic of Applications, which is the programming language of Excel and other Office programs, meaning that all Office programs share this Visual Basic of Applications programming language. So code that is written in Excel can initiate commands in other Office programs like PowerPoint, Word, Outlook, and so on. Essentially, VBA is all about automation. With VBA, we can automate almost any task that we do inside of Excel by writing lines of code that are called macros. And macros is a term that you will hear a lot once you start working with VBA. And VBA is great for automating repetitive tasks, such as weekly reports, exporting files, data cleansing, and the list just goes on and on. There is just so much that you can do with VBA, so sadly we can't cover all of its abilities in one course. But we will definitely look into some of the most popular uses of VBA, and hopefully you gain enough understanding of what VBA is and what it can do, to where you can be creative and apply it to different areas within your workbook, and also be able to read some other lines of code that you might not have seen before, and still be able to understand what that piece of code is trying to do. So all in all, VBA is such a powerful tool for automating any task within Excel that can definitely increase your efficiency. So like I said before, it could be a little bit overwhelming because we are actually learning a programming language, but I will try my best to take it slow and explain the steps in detail. And please, feel free to ask any questions if you're fully not understanding something, and I will be more than happier to help you. So without further ado, let's get to it.